ended up doing with the psych ward prisoner bus. It's now a storage. Stick to the end. I will announce the winners of the leg irons. I gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, sorry, funny man. Hurry up, you've been in there for a while already. Jeez. What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto, the channel where we search decommissioned police cars for goodies, weapons, equipment, guns. Right here we have this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. You may recognize this car because I originally bought it from a security company. Then I sold it to this guy. This is a real interesting but sad story. I sold it to this guy who was fresh out of the academy, and he thought that if he shows up to his interviews with a decked out police car, he would have leverage in getting into the department. So he brought it over here so that I can fully upgrade it. But I broke the sad news to him and told him that that's actually gonna backfire on you. You can't just show up to a police station with a police car and they're just gonna slap a label on it and give you a badge and gun. I basically talked myself out of a job, but he ended up selling it to me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go through the whole car and see, because this is all mine now. Let's check it out. Okay, let's start over here. I think it's pretty much empty. Looks like he had undercover visors. I'm really digging these. There's a lot of patterns in there. I don't even want to mess with them because I'm not familiar with this yet, but see, flash pattern, and it changes it. Some type of Eagle custom radar detector. Yet to connect that and see if that even works. He has a Motorola Astro two-way radio, and he's running a Touchmaster Delta Code 3 narrow stick. So, tuning forks, his jewel. He's got like Santa Cruz gun locks. Let me go around. It's a little windy outside. This right here, some power converter. Excellent idea right here, so you can run your household appliances. It's mag light working. Nice. Some mag light charger. This right here, he wanted me to install LED spotlights. I don't see a name brand on them, but these look brand new. There's two of them, and he's gonna get rid of the old bulbs. Laptop mount, and then the electrical, he could add on stuff right here. I think this is where the laptop mounts on too. Nothing in here. Start this baby up. 92K. Okay, let's go test out this. I gotta connect it and hit the power button, and it is on. And looks like this is a remote control for it. I don't know how to work it. I'm gonna have to do some research. So let's just drive around, see if this thing picks up any speeds or whatever. Okay, we're gonna go out in the street. Oh, it's working. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Nice. I like it. This car sounds nice. So the speeds of the cars going by. Speed limit is 45, so I don't have to pull anybody over just yet. Take a look in the back. So he did want me to install this watch guard system in his vehicle as well. He had originally got this from me. It's got everything in here. I remember giving him everything. And so got it back. So that's good. Let's see what else does he have in here. Looks like he went and bought some floor mats, so that's good. Doesn't look like this car is gonna need much. Let's pop the trunk. All right, please leave a biscuit for me. Power distribution. Looks like for his Jewel. Biscuit. No. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is a Taser X20. No, this is not. Hold on 1 second. Hold on.
The most customer-driven Taser device ever developed. Designed by law enforcement for law enforcement. Prevents conflict from escalating. Dual lasers.
This is a laser. Dude, I'm so excited. Oh, my heart's pounding. This is a Taser X2. But I think it may be broken or something because this thing is not lighting up right here. And it has 2 lasers. One of them is blinking. So according to the YouTube video, if I push this button, it should fire. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta. This should stun. Okay, so I talked to the guy on the phone and he says he is gonna include it with the car. So how awesome is that? He believes that it will fire. He has not tested it yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it right now. And I'm gonna find something or somebody to shoot. Hey, funny man, you still in there? Make my day, funny man. Oh my goodness. I think I fired twice. Holy crap. Is that still? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Okay, so I turned it off, so oh crap, they're stuck. I forced it out. Holy crap. And I think I like this better than the X26. I mean, this thing looks mean. Looks like a freaking RoboCop gun. Holy crap, this is way more intimidating than the X26. Sorry about the wind. Okay, it's firing. Some scary stuff, man. I really like this freaking case. Blade Tech. That is loud.
Okay. I'm ready whenever you are.
All right, give it a good try. Well, first show the art.
I'll show it up. Taser X2.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh!
I love
It's
that.
not as bad as you think.
I love that little jerk back. It's not as bad as, yeah, but what if somebody held it down?
Oh my god.
Let me try it on you.
5 seconds? Try it, for real.
No, let me try it on you.
No.
For 5 seconds.
I don't want to do it for 5 seconds. Oh my god. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like it. It's dope.